title, The Kiwi Chronicles, From China to Your Plate, a captivating opening shot of a kiwi orchard in New Zealand or another picturesque location, a brief overview of kiwi fruit's popularity and global demand. Explore the history of kiwi fruit, including its origins in China. Use historical footage or images to depict its journey from China to New Zealand. Interviews with experts and farmers on the fruit's cultivation showcase the different varieties of kiwi fruit, including the most common green and gold varieties. Highlight the unique flavors, textures, and characteristics of each type. Interview local farmers who specialize in cultivating specific kiwi varieties. Take viewers behind the scenes on a kiwi farm. Explain the cultivation process, including soil preparation, planting, and maintenance. Show the intricacies of harvesting kiwi fruit and how it's done with care. Delve into the nutritional benefits of kiwi fruit. Discuss its rich vitamin C content, fiber, and other health benefits. Interview nutritionists and scientists who study kiwi's impact on health. Explore the global distribution and consumption of kiwi fruit. Showcase different culinary uses, including recipes from various countries. Highlight how kiwi has become a staple in international cuisine. Address the challenges faced by kiwi farmers, such as climate change and pests. Discuss sustainable farming practices and efforts to reduce environmental impact. Highlight the importance of preserving kiwi orchards for future generations. Summarize the journey of kiwi fruit from its Chinese origins to worldwide popularity. Emphasize its cultural and economic significance. Encourage viewers to appreciate and enjoy this remarkable fruit. List the individuals, farms, and organizations that contributed to the documentary. Include any additional resources or references for viewers interested in learning more about kiwi fruit.